What if building a professional website or app prototype took minutes instead of weeks? That's exactly what Figma is promising with its new suite of AI-powered tools, and it's shaking up the entire design industry. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're excited about the future of design and AI. Figma just rolled out major updates that go far beyond its traditional design capabilities. The highlight? A tool called Figma Sites, which lets users go from design concept to live website, all with help from AI. Designers can now create responsive websites, add animations and scroll effects, and even generate blog content straight from the platform. There's also a built-in CMS coming soon, giving teams full control over posts, thumbnails, and more. But Figma isn't stopping at just websites. It's also introducing Figma Make, an AI-powered prototyping tool that lets users spin up fully functional web app prototypes using simple prompts. These collaborative prototypes can be tweaked with help from an AI assistant, or edited directly by developers when more customization is needed. Want to add a custom widget or animation? Figma's AI can even generate the code for you. Together, Figma Sites and Figma Make aim to support the full creative journey, from ideation to launch. According to Figma's Chief Product Officer Yuki Yamashita, Sites is perfect for teams with a clear vision, while Make is great for exploring new ideas at high fidelity. Figma's updates also include a new marketer-focused tool called Figma Buzz. This lets marketing teams use branded templates to generate creatives fast, modify images with AI, and even produce bulk assets using spreadsheet data. It's a smart way to scale campaigns while keeping everything on brand. And for designers, Figma has released Figma Draw, a robust vector editing tool. Now, instead of exporting assets to another platform, designers can work right within Figma using new features like text on a path, pattern fills, multi-vector editing, and custom brushes. All of these tools come alongside a new pricing plan called the Content Seat, starting at $8 per month. It bundles access to Figma Buzz, Slides, FigJam, and the upcoming Sites CMS, aimed at making powerful design accessible and collaborative for everyone. Figma is no longer just for static mockups. With this launch, it's stepping into direct competition with Canva, Adobe, Wix, WordPress, and even development platforms like Replit, redefining what modern digital creation looks like. Want to see how this all works in action? Check out the related video in the corner to explore Figma's AI tools in real time.